In this tutorial, I am going to teach you how to edit accounts in Xero. This is useful when you need to update account names, codes, descriptions, or tax settings to keep your financial records organized. First, open your web browser and navigate to xero.com. Once you're there, log in to your Xero account. After logging in, look at the top navigation menu and click on Accounting. From the drop-down menu, select Chart of Accounts. You'll now see a list of all the accounts in your Xero account, organized into categories such as assets, liabilities, income, and expenses. Find the account you want to edit and click on the account name. An Edit Account window will appear. From here, you can modify details such as the account type, code, name, and description. You can also update the tax settings and choose whether to show the account on your dashboard or make it available for expense claims. Once you've made all the necessary changes, review the information and click Save. Your account will now be updated and the changes will be reflected across your Xero account. And that's it. You've successfully edited an account in Xero. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next.